right here. I don't know if y'all can see me sitting right there. I'm not much taller than that version of me right there. It's probably a much cuter version of me right there, but I'm really loving the beard. That looks good. You need some gray highlights in there. Get you some tinsel. So, I like these acoustic sets here because I like to talk too, and Josh, he's our bass player down there, and he always gets mad at me because I talk too much sometimes. Yeah. But this is a song that I wrote, but that's what the acoustic shows are for, it's story time. I told y'all it was going to be a longer show. So, the first time I got to play with a guy named billyjoeshaver was in Lukenbach, Texas, a number of years ago. And if you don't know who billyjoeshaver is, he was the outlaw's outlaw. He was the outlaw that all the outlaws looked up to, including Cody.
Allegedly.
But the first time I got to meet him was special, and I was real scared to talk to him. And he ended up being the nicest guy, and we got to play with him several times right up until he died. And this is a song that I wrote about him. It's called Birds. Tell me, old man, where have you been? I've been reading those stories about chasing the wind. Guess I've come back with one or two. I've never really quite known what to do. Tell me, old man, what are you looking for? With all you give, so much more. Sometimes the things we seek skew the point. Sometimes the whole damn world seems out of joint. It makes me wonder. Makes me want to live. So I still freedom while there's still sound. Take the whole world in. I can only leave Thank y'all.